buckle up, because we're about to dive into one of the most mind-boggling questions in the universe, but with a sprinkle of humor to keep things fun: the Fermi Paradox. It's like a cosmic mystery where we're trying to figure out if we're the only partygoers in an empty galaxy club, or if we're just super early and everyone else is fashionably late. So, what's the Fermi Paradox? The Fermi Paradox is essentially this: given the insane number of stars in the universe, seriously, we're talking about trillions of them, there should be plenty of planets capable of hosting intelligent alien life. But despite all our fancy space telescopes, radio signals, and sci-fi movie marathons, we haven't found any ETs. Nada. Zip. It's like sending out a billion friend requests on Facebook and getting no replies. Awkward, right? It was named after the physicist Enrico Fermi who, one day over lunch in 1950, asked his colleagues, "Where is everybody?" In other words, if intelligent life is out there, why haven't we heard from them yet? Fermi basically launched the cosmic equivalent of asking why no one shows up to your house party when you send out the invites weeks in advance. Space is huge. Like, really huge. First off, space is massive. If you think your commute is long, imagine traveling across the galaxy. Light itself, yeah, the fastest thing in the universe, takes years just to get to the next closest star. So, one big reason we haven't found aliens could be simple: the universe is so vast that trying to spot life is like finding a needle in a haystack the size of Jupiter. And not just Jupiter, imagine 100 billion Jupiters. If aliens do exist, they might be chilling on planets so far away that by the time their "hey, what's up" message reaches us, humans will have evolved into beings with 10 arms for heads and a penchant for intergalactic yoga. Or we've already gone extinct after trying to microwave metal for the 43rd time. The Great Filter Theory: maybe we're early or late. The Fermi Paradox has led to lots of theories, and one of the most popular is called the Great Filter. Sounds dramatic, right? Like some alien reality show elimination round. But here's the gist: the Great Filter is an obstacle that prevents life from advancing to the point where it can colonize the stars. Maybe life itself is super rare and complex. The chances of all the right conditions for life, like liquid water, stable climates, and not being hit by an asteroid, are so slim that we're lucky to be here at all. This theory suggests we might be one of the first civilizations to make it this far, in which case, congratulations! We're cosmic pioneers! Or, the Great Filter is ahead of us, and every civilization hits a wall, like nuking themselves, climate change, or inventing a super AI that turns the universe into paperclips before they can expand into space. So, instead of finding aliens, we might be speeding toward our own doom. But hey, no pressure, right? Maybe aliens are just boring. Another fun theory is that maybe we found aliens, but they're too busy binge-watching their version of Netflix to care about contacting us. Advanced civilizations could be so into their own digital realities that they've lost interest in exploring space. Why spend eons traveling to other planets when you can just plug into a VR world where you can be a space dragon 24/7? It's also possible that aliens are operating on such a different timescale that we're just missing each other. Imagine you're a fruit fly, living for a day, and you're waiting for a phone call from a tortoise that lives 150 years. That's us and the aliens. The zoo hypothesis: are we on display? This one's a bit weirder, but stick with me. Some people suggest that aliens are watching us, but they're deliberately avoiding contact, kind of like how we observe animals in a zoo. They're like, look at those cute humans with their little rockets and social media drama. Let's not disturb them, they're still figuring it out. So maybe we're on some intergalactic wildlife preserve where advanced civilizations are giving us space, pun intended, to evolve naturally. You know, like we're under some cosmic prime directive. If that's the case, then somewhere out there, an alien family could be watching us on their version of National Geographic, eating popcorn, and going, "Look at those humans discovering fire again, how quaint." We're not listening right, or we're dumb. Imagine we're searching for aliens by shouting into the void, but we're doing it all wrong. We've been using radio waves to scan for signals, but what if aliens use completely different methods to communicate? Maybe they're sending messages via quantum entanglement, tachyon pulses, or, I don't know, interpretive dance. To put it another way, it's like calling someone on a rotary phone while they're texting on a smartphone. No wonder we're missing each other. We could be staring at alien signals all the time and just not recognizing them, like those emails you missed because they went to your spam folder. The dark forest theory: don't call us, we won't call you. Here's a spooky thought: maybe aliens are out there, but they're intentionally staying quiet. This is the dark forest theory, named after a sci-fi novel, which suggests that the universe is a dangerous place. Intelligent civilizations might keep their heads down, avoiding contact because they don't know if other aliens are friendly or hostile. It's like being in a dark forest full of predators. The best move is to stay silent and not attract attention. In this case, maybe we're lucky that no one's responded yet. Imagine sending out a friendly hello, and getting a message back that says, "Prepare for invasion." Yeah, let's not risk it. Aliens could be weird. Maybe aliens are so different from us that we wouldn't even recognize them as intelligent life. We're expecting little green men or something resembling Earth life, but what if they're living, conscious gas clouds? Or beings made of pure energy? Or a hive mind of nanobots? We might have seen aliens already and not even realized it because they don't fit our definition of life. Imagine us strolling past a floating cloud of sentient vapor and saying, "Nah, that can't be it. Aliens have to have legs." Meanwhile, the vapor cloud is thinking, "Ugh, humans are so clueless." Conclusion: the big cosmic ghosting. In the end, the Fermi Paradox is one of those delightful brain teasers that leaves us scratching our heads and wondering if we're missing something obvious. Whether it's the vastness of space, the mystery of the Great Filter, or the possibility that aliens are too busy with their own problems, we're left with a cosmic case of ghosting on a universal scale. But who knows? Maybe tomorrow we'll wake up to find a UFO parked in our backyard with a sign that says, "We've been trying to reach you about your planet's extended warranty." Until then, we keep looking up, wondering, and, of course, hoping we don't accidentally invite the wrong kind of visitors.